Today's recipe contains a very ancient superfood called sabudana or tapioca pearls. This is a very popular dish which is Sabudana Vada or fritters, which is particularly very popular in Maharashtra in India. To begin this recipe, I'm using about 2 tablespoons of oil, and to this we'll add about 3/4 cup of peanuts. Let's fry these peanuts in the oil till they are roasted really well. Once they are done, we'll remove this and we'll grind it coarsely to a powder. These add a wonderful taste and aroma to the sabudana vadas. In the leftover oil, we'll add 1 teaspoon of zira or cumin, and then the powdered peanuts we'll not grind it to a very fine powder. It should be a bit coarse. So this adds to the crunch in the sabudana vadas. If the oil is really less, you can add some more. You can add another teaspoon of oil. Let's add half a teaspoon of grated ginger to this. We'll fry it along with the powdered peanuts, just roasting it. And to this we'll add some spices, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon salt, and half a teaspoon pepper powder. You can always add the salt and the chilies to your taste. We'll just roast it for a few seconds and then cool it. Here I have 3 potatoes, medium sized potatoes, which I've boiled and grated, or you can mash it. And I've also soaked 1 cup of sabudana overnight. So for about, not overnight, for about 4 to 6 hours. So here's the sabudana. We'll add the soaked sabudana to the potato. Add about 1 teaspoon of green chili chopped. This again is to your taste. A handful of finely chopped fresh coriander leaves. And the roasted peanut powder along with the spices. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also like and share my videos. This is an excellent recipe which is especially eaten by fasting people because it gives a boost of energy and it has a lot of health benefits. So do check out this recipe. I've mixed the mixture really well, and then now we'll take small portions of this mixture and form them into cutlets or vadas. You can make whatever shape you like. So I've given this round shape. Flatten it out evenly and make sure there are no gaps in between, and there should be no cuts on the sides. So once it's done, the sabudana vadas are ready to be fried. It is as simple as this. This is a really quick and simple recipe. So I have made some already. You can make about 20 sabudana vadas with this recipe. So let's heat some oil in a pan and begin frying these sabudana vadas or the sabudana fritters. You can even use lesser oil to fry them. You can just add a little bit of oil to the pan and also fry them. This is a really quick and easy recipe. So after it is fried on one side, flip it over. And the really delicious sabudana vadas are ready to be served. Please do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section if you like this.